So hi guys, hello everybody and most welcome to my YouTube channel Usman Creation and welcome to my new video. So I will tell you in this video about Erkan Meriç and Yagmur ozturk, very latest photographies today and collection, and I collect these photos from Instagram. I hope so you will be enjoy these all of photographies, and happy new year. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more latest video. Also press the bell icon for all notification to receive my new video to you, and share this video also to your friends to tell them like and subscribe my channel for more latest video. Don't forget this, and thank you so much for coming my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and which one is your favorite actor, tell me into the comment box. And Yagmur or Erkan Meriç, see you in the next video. Bye bye.